Hi everybody, so I am checking in with you again today. I had time to make a couple of videos. I'm back to work at the school again, so my time to make videos is going to be limited. So I wanted to get this video done with you today and share with you what came in the next Kinder Beauty box. As you know, I have been enjoying this subscription and the August box. I can't believe it's almost the end of August. So I got this and I want to share it with you. I've been waiting to use these products so that I could show them. So I was really excited for this box because this brand, Aether Beauty, was in here. I've been wanting to try this for so long and I just never did purchase anything, but this brand, they use gemstones, I think, in their products. So I was really excited for this. So this Aether Beauty palette is called the Moonlit Crystal Palette. It came in this box and it looks like this. It's a cardboard packaging and these are the shades. I thought these were absolutely stunning and I can't wait to use these. I will probably use some of the brighter shades, like an eyeliner. But I'm so excited to try this brand, and the value on this is $58. So what a wonderful deal that I got to try this out. The whole Kinder Beauty box I think is like $24 or $25. And it also came with this little card that has a little poem on it, so that was lovely. And then to go with that, from Alamar Cosmetics, there was a little brush set. It's packaged very nicely in the cellophane. There are 3 eyeshadow brushes, and the value on this was $18. So I will really enjoy using those with that palette. And the third item, I will really like this, Laguna Herbals Restore Vegan Nail Serum. And it looks like this. And let's see, excuse me. It says it has a special blend of silica building ingredients to help you grow your nails long, strong, and perfectly paintable. I don't really paint my nails or grow my nails, but I do like to have strong, healthy nails, and I do like to have soft cuticles. So I'm really excited about that. And then the fourth item, another wonderful brand, Andalou Naturals, sent this botanical shave cream, and the scent is coconut lime. And this value is $10. I know this is a really popular brand. I have tried a few things from them and I don't think I've ever been disappointed. So I think this sounds lovely. And the fifth item is from Acure. I have never tried the brand, but I know it is a respectable brand that I hear about, and I just never have tried anything. And this is a resurfacing overnight glycolic treatment. It looks like this. I believe this might be 1 or 2 treatments, and the value is $9. And it says it contains moonstone extract, true unicorn root, and rose quartz that work while you slumber. Oh, wow. And it leaves a dewy, glassy finish when you awaken. That sounds really, really great. So I will be excited to try this. So that is what I wanted to share with you about the Kinder Beauty box. And I really have been enjoying this subscription. I think they're giving us unique products at great value. And I'm getting to try some brands that I have not tried before. And let me know, have you tried any of these brands, and what do you think of this box? Do you think it's a good value? I don't have a discount code, but you can Google. There's a lot of people that do have a discount code, and use one of those codes. But I will link the put the link below, and you can enter it if you want or whatever. Anyway, if you're here, just stop by and say hi. Let me know you were here. And I hope everybody's doing well and having a good weekend. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.